Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Craft Beer in Michigan Brewery Spotlight. And today I've got a northbound brown from Royal Oak Brewing Company over in Gaylord. Nope, Grayling. Let's get it right, Todd. Grayling, Michigan. And one of the reasons why we're featuring this one, Grayling is known as a great place to go fishing and deer hunting. And it's that time of the year. I'm ready to rock and roll. I've got my obviously Right Brain Brewery, their beautiful hat to go along with it. I'm sitting out in my cigar garden. We got a Sandoval Cristobal today, and it's time for you guys to start thinking about deer camp, or in my case, beer camp, and stopping by the breweries and getting something for the guys and yourself to enjoy at deer camp. So, one of the things that made me choose this beer, let's get a hit, is that, like Rolling Oak, small little brew pub, they do can, but you can't go and buy it at the store. They don't distribute it. So you've got to actually stop by. You have to think about it. You can do multi-packs. You can get a bunch of their beers, or you can get a couple of each, or whatever you want. And you can mix and match depending on your friends that you're going to see there. So also, I want to promote this one up. I have not opened it yet. Alrighty. Deer Camp Vodka, and it's at the Northern Latitudes Distillery, and they've been doing this for quite some time. Good looking vodka, so I look forward to opening this up, and one of those things that take it to deer camp with me. Probably makes a heck of a Bloody Mary. They also have a horseradish Bloody Mary that Northern Latitudes does, and that's up in the Sutton's Bay or Leland, Lake Leelanau area. So definitely want to take advantage of that. So back to the beer. I've had this one in the refrigerator for a little bit. So, it's one of those. It's 5% in the alcohol. And you can see the date that it was on there, 4/4. And so it's time to drink it. Today's glass, decided to pull out the Kilkenny's Irish pub glass to drink it out of. So, all right, let's pop the top. Of course, I like this. You're going to go there. They're not going to get you 12-ounce cans. They're going to sell you a good 16-ounce can. So I recommend that you do that. Get a 16-ounce can. Pop the top. Alrighty. Let's pour in the glass. Ooh, dark almond. The head is definitely chocolate. Alrighty. See if we can get all this in there. Probably gonna have a little bit left. Yeah, I'm starting to get a spillover on my side. So let's let it dribble down the glass so I don't, when I go to show it to you, it doesn't drip on my laptop. So dark, can't see through that. Again, the head, nice and chocolate on that as well. So look forward to enjoying that. So appreciate you being out here in my cigar garden, and I hope you've hit the like button for me there. I hope you like this beer as much as I do. You do me a favor in the comment section. What beers do you like to take to deer camp? All right. Since this had a chance to settle a little bit, take it to our nose. A little bit of a roastiness, but I'm dominated by a lot of malt. All right. Cheers, guys. I know you've been to your beer fridge. All right. Let's pop the top. Or what am I saying? Let's take it to our lips and see what we get. Nice and sweet. Lots of malt. there is a unique flavor that I'm not sure about. It's I'm trying to I kind of almost want to say orange, but that'd be wrong. It's not citrusy. Now, something different is happening. That flavor is way up on both sides of my tongue, way up here. It's up in the upper part. It's not lingering in the front. It's a little bit different on it. Hops is not what it's all about. Cakeish? I'm going to say does have a nice sweet chocolate cake flavor to it, something a little different. Yeah. Of course, that's right. I do have a little bit more I can pour in here out of this. I'm wondering if I only got one. This is the only can that I've got of this one. When I was over Rolling Oak, I bought 4 different varieties, and we've done a few reviews of them, and we'll put this at the back or up here at the top so you can see those reviews. I'll put the playlist because I also love going over to Paddle Hard Brewing Company. I like when I go there, I have to go to both, so I do enjoy stopping by. And I know this time of the year, getting ready for deer season, where you're going to stop by both places. It'll probably be really busy and see a lot of camo. Yeah, I'm wondering what that would taste like a little warmer. This is straight out of the refrigerator. I really can't tell you what that's different flavor is. But again, that last sip, it's way up top. It's way up top of my tongue. Kind of unique. Different. All right. So Rolling Oaks in a Kilkenny glass. They're what do they call it now? Northbound Brown, 5% alcohol, and I like it. Different, a little bit unique. So stop by over there, grab that, and if you're up, of course, in Sutton's Bay area, stop by the northern latitudes and get yourself a bottle of Deer Camp vodka. Your buddies will know that you're thinking about them when you bring something like that. So. I hope you hit the subscribe button so you can go on my adventures here in the beer world, and I'll see you later. If you're going to have a beer, make sure you have a good one.